the schedule for the morning. I mailed it to everybody. Joyita, I'd like to come here. Yeah. Yes. That, I don't know if you're aware, but I'm sure everybody must be guessing what Sanjeev and Shweta, me and Sumeer have been doing right through the last week of December. But we've been basically using the help of Sumeer and an external strategy consultant. What we did was that we looked at the organization, we looked at the people, we looked at how we were faring, and we decided that we wanted to make a more robust plan for 2010. And this will be the plan on which we're going to build for 2011. So it was re-strategizing the entire company strategy, the org structure, etc. Sumant is aware of it because he was a very integral part of it, but we haven't shared it with anybody else yet. And I thought today would be a good way to start with that and tell you how the organization is going to be structured and what roles and responsibilities people have, so that you guys start the year with complete clarification and expectations from you. How we were functioning earlier was that all the principal consultants were doing business development, we were managing those accounts, we were delivering. I was doing part delivery, part BD, etc. What we realized was, after we did a skill evaluation of people in the company, we realized that there are people in the company who are very good at generating business and managing key accounts. And there are people who are very good at delivery. And we felt that the organization actually needed to be divided into two different parallel organizations within the company. So now the structure is as follows. I'll draw it for you guys. Okay, so there's me, and reporting into me are two different organizations. There is a operating organization or operations organization, and there is a BD key accounts organization. Shweta will now manage operations in the company from end to end, and she's going to be the COO or the Chief Operating Officer, whatever, which will mean that this whole piece will report into her. I continue to manage this piece, but in essence, Sumant will basically be overseeing this piece. But my focus really is going to be this and not this. And under operations, we'll have the same structure, which is consultants, ACs, and research. And there'll be the bands that are there currently in the operating team will continue to work in the same manner. This team will be called principals. So in essence, even Shweta now will be called, she's called the Chief Operating Officer or the operating head of the company, but she's a consultant. So this is the consulting team, this is the team of principals. And this is how the designations will follow in the company now. And we have a bridge between these two teams, which is going to be analytics, which is currently being managed by Raisha. And she will basically do the interaction between the two teams in terms of MIS, data, alerts. She will work with Shweta to incorporate better processes, which is what we're going to discuss today. And she's going to work with me in terms of how long are we taking to crack leads, how, which sectors seem to be hot, lead generation, etc., etc. Our team, of course, will have BD people in it, and that's what we're hiring. It will have content because we feel that how we are present to the external world is very important, and today everything is on the net. So how we Twitter, how we're tweeting, how we're represented on Facebook, how we are represented on LinkedIn and our blogs, to get our blogs going. There'll be a content person. And there'll be 2 or 3 DD people which will get hired in the course of the year. So this is the essential structure, and of course reporting into me is finance and IT. Under finance we have accounts and admin. So this is Vivek and this is Sanjeev. What we're feeling a need for, or which will evolve as we discuss this today, is we need somebody to manage our database independently, reporting into Vivek. Because Vivek spends just too much time fixing people's computers, etc., etc. We, by the way, told him that he's not formatting anything for anybody. You can learn it from him once, after which he's not formatting your stuff, he's not helping you. When I see him doing alignment for people, wasting his time the whole day, doing stuff that you guys make him do, which he's actually not responsible for. If you guys don't know how to use Word and PowerPoint and Excel, then I don't even think you should be working. इसको template कर दे, इसको format कर दे, ये कर दे, वो कर दे. That's all he does. So he's not going to do it anymore. In fact, he's been given strict instructions at the beginning of the year, don't do it for anybody. So please don't use him and call him for useless work. At the end of the day, he manages a very big network and he has to manage the database. And there is a thought that we may need a separate person to just manage our database. So that you guys get alerts from time to time, what are the new CVs coming into the database, what are the, I'm sure that, all of us work on many cross-functional assignments, and I really wanted this, that, you guys get alerts, the team gets an alert, 5 great finance CVs this week, check them out, so it goes to the entire team, because here we are putting them one at a time into the database. So, just making people aware that what is available with you. And basically consolidating and mining this data better. We may just hire someone. The thought is very open right now. We'll have to debate it between Shweta, Sumant and myself and Sanjeev on the budget. If we can afford it, we'll do it. This is how the structure will be. So most of you really are in this team. And this is really going to be your growth path in the organization. And if you come to a place where you're the consultant band 1, then that is the end of your growth. Then you can only grow vertically, which means the size of your verticals will keep growing. But there's no upward growth beyond that unless somebody aspires to take Shweta's job and she aspires to take mine. Right? Are there any questions on the org structure? Anything anybody wants to know? Now, please understand that because we manage today, now all the accounts in the company belong to us, which is me and Sumant. So we have the right to talk to any of the operating team members, to guide them, to tell them where they're going wrong, and we will now be your internal customer. So you have to forget about the fact that you're working for ACC or Ambuja or anything like that, or you're working for BD, or you're working for the two of us. We will be monitoring quality. We will be deciding whether your work is adequate or not. So, as much as you may report into Shweta on a day-to-day basis, in your appraisal and your growth, this team will have a very large say. How you are delivering to us will help you determine your growth in the company. If we feel you're not up to the mark, you will have trouble. So there will be 2 people taking a call on the entire organization in terms of people capability, which is Sumant and Shweta. Now, given this org structure, let me also discuss with you what we discussed in terms of deliverables, in terms of numbers, and what are some of the other changes that we've made in the organization. I forgot to mention that there will be an HR person reporting into me. We're in the process of hiring that as well. The HR person, for more practical purposes, will actually report into Shweta.